Is there any news for the Relentless preamplifier?
I wish.
Oh, sorry.
Again, excuse me.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
get excited when talking about the Relentless. This project.
Hey, Bill. Mr. McKeegan, nice meeting you. How are you doing this time?
Well, how are you today?
Fine. Is there anything you bring here?
We brought a prototype of the Progression Integrated, which is not quite done, but
Can we see it?
of course.
Oh, well.
Like I said, it's not quite finished. The original that we showed in Munich just had a top cover with the heat sinks
Okay.
hidden.
Okay.
So now we've exposed the heat sinks. We've taken our cue from the Relentless heat sink.
Ah, yeah, this is Relentless style.
Exactly.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
This will also be finished. This is painted, but it will be this anodized finish like we have on the faceplate. And
But
then
you're using aluminum heatsink, but not copper.
Progression
Okay.
Series doesn't have
Oh,
copper.
okay, got it.
Only Momentum and Relentless uses copper.
Got it.
That's why these get a little bit bigger for similar power. The copper allows us to keep it small. I know the Relentless isn't small, but in reality, it would be a lot bigger if it were just aluminum. I know the U.S. prices.
Yeah.
A fully loaded unit. I bought it-
Well, I think it's getting cold in Guangzhou, right? It's not that in. Okay, so how much will be the retail price in the U.S. market?
fully loaded
Fully
with
loaded.
the
but
phono stage
okay.
option and the
Messenger
digital
cards.
streaming will be 25,000.
25,000.
If you have a different digital source or some other way of pulling your music off your hard drive or streaming Tidal
Yeah.
or Qobuz, it has MQA decoding. It is a Roon endpoint as well. So if you have something else
Owning one, I mean.
that does that, you can save $5,000.
Okay.
That's a $5,000
But I
option.
think it's worthwhile to put more $5,000 owning one, right?
It is.
It's everything there.
And then if you don't have a turntable in your system, then you don't need the phono stage.
Okay, yeah.
And that'll save you $2,000.
Yeah.
So $18,000 for the base unit, $20,000 for just phono, $23,000 for just digital, and then $25,000 fully
Very,
loaded.
yeah, very cool. By the way, I found that the golden plate rain is not that color. I mean, is that different color?
That is specifically built for China. We don't sell that anywhere else in the world.
Okay.
So this is a large.
Tailor-made, exclusive in China.
Yes, it's 100 watts more per channel, 400 watts as opposed to the traditional, the standard progression amp is only 300 watt, only, but still plenty. We have gone to the gold finish, which was requested.
Yeah, nice. Oh, by the way, do you have...
The
Sorry,
monos are the same, which we have over here. You can see those are the progression 600s, and those are also unique to China. The preamp gets the same treatment as well with the gold. And we will do that actually, Roger, on the gold.
But the price will be the same.
Yes.
Okay, cool. You still have the black finish version of this.
In the U.S., we will also offer options, and we can here too if people want it, where this copper will not be gold or copper, but it'll be silver to match the faceplate. And then we are going to add copper inside this volume control.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Like we have on the Progression preamp now. In this one, it's the gold China version, but
Sure.
overall it'll be. So this will come out in early January. It took a little bit longer because we changed the aesthetics, but we think we ended up with a better looking product, and it'll be better to delay it and get it right than to rush it and it not be what people really want. So far the reaction's been very positive to the changes we've made to the look. We'll see how it turns out, but I think I have 160 of them on back order already.
Next question is about. I mean, I've been hit and blown away by the Momentum. Tell me something about the Momentum. By the Relentless. Is there any news for the Relentless preamplifier?
I wish.
Oh, sorry.
Again, excuse me.
Yeah, no
I get
problem.
excited when talking about the Relentless. This project had to be finished. So as this
First.
enters production and is in the rearview mirror, as we say, then the effort on the lunch preamp will really start up.
Okay.
We do have a concept, a 3-box solution.
Yeah, you have mentioned.
With isolated power supplies in the bottom chassis, an isolated left channel, an isolated right channel. So that's what has to be expanded. My guess is we'll show it in Munich.
Next year? 2020? Oh, I can't miss it. I should book the ticket. By the way, last but not least, is there any plan or progress for the Momentum headphone amplifier? You can say.
It keeps getting pushed
Got
back.
it.
We end up.
Dan is busy, right?
As need to have and nice to have.
Okay.
And that would be nice to have.
Okay.
We think we could make a
Got
really
it.
special one.
Yeah.
But we needed to have this.
Yeah.
We needed to have the Relentless preamp. So because that's what our customers around the world tell us, both the accounts as well as our end users, that the headphone amp would be great.
Yep.
But
Sure.
we need to
Understood.
complete the lineup that we currently have.
Well, thank you very much.
音响设计师里跳票的有很多，大丹不是第一个，也不是最后一个，但我相信是名气颇大的一个。大丹在某一年的美国 CES 音响展上，曾经用视频的这个方式透露说，他正在研发一款叫做他没有讲当时的这个系列的型号，他只是说我在研发一款耳放。后来呢，又有其他的这个视频说这会是一款 Momentum 级别的作品，所以所有的这个耳机发烧友都哇哦一声拍手叫好，说大丹终于在以前的这个 KS5 的这个耳机放大器之后，终于又做耳机放大器了。不过这个事情讲到现在，我记得大概起码有3年4年时间了吧。然后这次呢，我在Roxanne 的这个展房呢碰到了Dan D'Agostino Mast Audio 的主席 Bill McKeegan，他以前是 Corel 的这个主席，所以现在跟随大丹到了这个 Dan D'Agostino 的这个公司。那么他告诉我呢，实际上这款产品被他称为叫good to have， 也就是说它不是 must to have， 是 good to have。那么这款产品估计还会继续跳票，所以大家要等这款耳机放大器的这个朋友呢，可能需要再耐心一些。那么这次跟 Bill 呢聊了蛮多了，那大家可以这个视频里面可以看得到，听得到他身体因为受到这个广州可能比这个 Arizona 要冷很多，所以他忍不住要咳嗽，他自己笑称为说，一谈到大丹的这个产品，一谈到 Relentless， 他就会很激动。他讲这次展出的这个产品呢是Progression 系列的合并机，这款合并机实际上我第一次知道它的存在是在是在今年的这个慕尼黑音响展上，就是大概4、5月份的这个时间，已经有这款产品的相关的信息，他们摆出了这台产品的一个样机。那么这次呢，我们看到了这个实物，但是这个实际上也是属于快要完工的这个样机。你们可以看到它的体积尺寸蛮厚的，然后呢，前面板有这个玫瑰金的 配色的这个装饰。然后呢，他们根据中国市场的这个要求呢，还会推出这个你可以说是土豪金，那就是黄金这个配色的这个版本。那么这款机器呢，价格是标价是这样的，就美国市场上面入门版乞丐版是$18,000，然后如果你再加上那些比如说像唱放啊，像数字播放的这个 streaming 的软件这个硬件啊，包括加上其他的一些部分等等，叽里呱啦全部加在一起，包括可能还有解码的这个部分，顶配的版本是$25,000，相对来说还是功能蛮丰富的。那么也确认了一点，就是它旁边用到的这个，你看到散热器是 Relentless 级别，就那个是一道一道像一排一排像，就是有这个像流水状这种感觉的，所以它是 Relentless 级别的这个散热器，只是说它没有用到不会用到铜，它一定会是用这个 aluminum 铝。然后现场的这个系统呢，用的是 JR 盘王的黑胶机加上 Momentum 的这个唱放。用 Progression 的前级和2台后级去驱动VB Audio 的这个 B1D， 然后呢功放这上面呢，因为得益于这个变压器方面的这个提升啊，所以他们在原来的这个功率上面再增加了这个瓦数，合并立体声的应该增加了100瓦，另外一个应该是增加是200瓦，所以等于说就是功率又增加了，驱动力又更大了。所以大单的这个展房呢，你们听得到这个声音，我觉得说现场声音没有想象中这么好。我觉得理由是因为第一个空间比较大，第二个你用 BED 相对撑这么大的空间呢，还是有一些困难。我相信说如果你用一对益雅的这个G1S，会相对好很多。还有一点就是我也问了，就有没有机会能够在国内聆听到 Relentless， 或者说在香港聆听到 Relentless。目前暂时还没有这样的这个安排，如果有的话，他们会第一时间告诉我。